So once you start brainstorming, you can always section these off into some categories. So for example, if I have a website that is about a landscaping service, I can have a landscaping category, I can have a lawn care category, lawn mowing, brush removal, sod installation, for example. These are all different categories. And then I can break each of those down into more targeted keywords. So for example, with the landscaping keyword, I could break that down into landscaping services and then further into landscaping services in Centerville, Virginia, for example, or lawn care to lawn care companies and lawn care companies in Virginia. So that's a way I can break it down. Later on, that's going to help me determine what pages I create for the website, the content that I create for the website, so that I can really target these keywords if the keyword research proves that those are good keywords to move forward with. So start brainstorming your initial keywords, and then we're going to look at some other techniques that you can use to expand your list.